Reyes, that's a crazy harness that you're wearing. What are you out here doing today?
Skydiving.
Ooh, you are skydiving, dude. That sounds crazy. What brought you out here to skydive?
So I was wanting to skydive.
Yeah? Okay. Well, you're getting it today. Are you excited?
Hell yeah.
Are you nervous?
Oh yeah.
Okay, good. That way it's not just me.
Okay.
We're going to go get in this airplane. We're going to jump out at 10,500 feet above the ground, do at least 120 miles an hour. Do you have any famous last words for any friends and family before we do?
Nah, they should know.
You're not going to need them. We're coming back. Let's go have some fun.
What did you think, bro?
Fucking awesome.
So this is my office. It has the best views.
And this is my new job.
So go ahead and pull this right side down towards your feet, hard as you can.
Wow.
Let that side up. Pull the left side down towards your feet. Perfect. You can let that side up. Very nice. Take a look at that camera. race. You just went skydiving.
Hell yeah.
How do you feel, bro?
It's my new job. That's how I feel.
we got him for sure.
Yep.
You liked it.
Oh yeah.
You're gonna do it again.
Oh yeah. I'll be back.
Thanks for jumping with me, Skydive car.
Appreciate it.
That was great.